Hello, this is a tutorial on good old G67 2.3a PBA 77. We're going to be multiplying some negative fractions today. I'll go ahead and do E here. When you multiply negative fractions, you can just multiply straight across, but I always try to reduce diagonally first to make my answer in simplest form. I'm going to divide by 3 on both of these. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So now when I multiply across, 1 times 1 is 1. 7 times 2 is 14. You have a negative times a positive, so this is a negative 1/14. So these dudes go together. Ooh, these dudes go together here. Sorry about that. Scratch that out. Let's try another one of these blocks here. So we have 5/8 times 2/3. This is going to be a positive answer because you have two negatives. I can't do anything with the 5 and the 3, but I can divide by 2 here. 5 times 1 is 5. 4 times 3 is 12. That's a negative times a negative, so that's a positive 5/12, and that's going to go up here. And let's see what else we got. I may as well do this guy up here. We can divide by 2. That would be 2. Divide by 2, that would be 1. We can't divide this way, so we'll just multiply straight across. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 2 is 10. That's a positive times a positive, so that's a positive of 3/10. So that's going to go down right here. And let's see, we've got 3/5 times 15/16. We can divide by 5 here. We are going to get 9. 1 times 16 is 16ths. We've got a positive times a negative, so it's a negative 9/16. That's going to go right across. And then we've got 5/12 times 18/15. Looks like we can go both ways. We can divide by 5 this way. We can divide by 4 this way. So 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. We've got 2 9s. That's a positive times a positive, so that's going to come down here. And looks like we can double reduce this way too. Divide by 3 would be 5. Divide by 3 would be 3. Divide by 4 would be 1. Divide by 4, it would be 4. So just multiply across. That would be 3/20. That's a negative times a positive, so that's a negative 3/20. So that's going to come up here. All right, what are we supposed to do here? Write the letter of the exercise in the box that contains the number of the answer. So let's see. O went down to, was 3/10. O was 13. So we go to 13, and I'm going to put in an O down below. I don't think you can quite see that. And I really don't care about the puzzle much, but you can try to figure that out if you want. So looks like this was 1/14, negative 1/14. So for 23, we're going to put E, and so on. All right, good luck multiplying those out. Have fun. Can I just do one more thing here? Just looking at this one here. This is 2/3. Really what that means is this is 2/3 times itself, because that exponent's on the outside. So this is going to be a negative times a negative here. And the same here. Okay? These ones here, yeah, they're going to get a little complicated, but I think you can have some fun with that. We could take a look at it if you want. Why don't we try looking at M here? We could divide by 5x. 5x divided by 5x, that would be, goes in there 1 time. This, it's going to go in there 5 times. So now we can multiply across. 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 1 is 3. So 20 divided, it's a negative times a negative, so that's going to be a positive 20/3. And then 20 divided by 3, that's going to go in there 6 2/3. We go right up to 6 2/3. Okay, good luck. Have fun.